Everlance is an all-in-one mileage and expense tracking app built for freelancers, gig workers, and businesses that want a simple way to log drives and stay organized. Like MileIQ, it automatically detects your trips using GPS and runs in the background, but it does a step further with built-in expense tracking. You can link your bank accounts and categorize transactions and generate tax-ready reports without juggling multiple apps. The interface is quite straightforward. Swipe to classify trips as business or personal, and use customizable rules so recurring routes or expenses are sorted automatically. For teams, Everlance also offers admin tools to track multiple drivers and manage reimbursements, which makes it appealing for small businesses. Reports are one of its strongest features. You can export IRS-compliant mileage logs and detailed expense summaries in just a few taps, making tax season or client billing much simpler. Now, Everlance is subscription-based, and that's its extra features, while powerful, may feel unnecessary. You only need mileage tracking. But if you want a single app for mileage, expenses, and reimbursements, it's one of the most complete solutions out there. Now, overall, Everlance is robust, and it's a great alternative to basic mileage trackers. Offering automation, expense tools, and team features all in one package is perfect for anyone who wants more than just the basics. Do you want a direct head-to-head with Everlance and MileIQ? To see which one's a better fit, let me know in the comments below. Like if this helped, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you in the next video.